Having trouble logging into Microsoft Teams. Maybe your password isn't accepted, Teams keeps asking you to sign in, or you're stuck in a login loop. In this guide, I'll show you several ways to fix common Teams login problems. So let's get started. First, make sure you're using the correct Microsoft account. For work or school Teams, use the account provided by your organization. If your password isn't working, try signing in to another Microsoft service with the same account to confirm your credentials. Next, check your internet connection. Open a browser and visit a website to make sure you're connected. If Teams can't reach Microsoft's servers, sign-in may fail. Try reconnecting to Wi-Fi or restarting your network connection. If Teams opens but won't complete the login, sign out and sign in again. Select your profile picture, choose Sign Out, close Teams, then reopen it and enter your account details. Microsoft recommends signing out and back in for certain connection and authentication problems. Another quick check is your computer's date and time. Open Windows settings, go to Time and Language, then Date and Time. Make sure automatic time and time zone settings are enabled. Incorrect time settings can cause secure sign-in connections to fail. If the desktop app still won't let you sign in, try Teams in your web browser. Open the Teams website and sign in with the same account. If the web version works, the problem may be specific to the desktop app. Still having problems? Try clearing the Teams cache. First, quit Teams completely. On Windows, open File Explorer and enter %appdata %\Microsoft\Teams. Delete the contents of that folder, then restart Teams and sign in again. Make sure you're also using the latest version of Teams. If you can access the app, open your profile menu and select Check for Updates. Microsoft recommends checking for updates when troubleshooting Teams sign-in problems. Keeping the app current can prevent compatibility issues. If the login problem continues, reinstalling Teams may help. Uninstall the app, then install the latest version again. Microsoft also recommends removing the Teams app data folder when troubleshooting persistent sign-in problems. Finally, if Teams shows a status or error code, write it down. Microsoft says these codes can help identify authentication, network, or account problems. For work or school accounts, your IT administrator may need to investigate the issue. And that's how to fix common Microsoft Teams login problems. Check your account, internet, date, and time, try the web version, clear the cache, update Teams, and reinstall it if necessary. So if you're still locked out, keep the error code and contact your IT administrator or Microsoft support.